Guys, Rachel here, and we just got a Northern Spirit Coachmen, and it is a pre-owned. I'm not sure of the year, but it is beautiful. It's as if they never even stepped foot in here. So I'm really excited to show you because this one will go fast. Absolutely. So let's start. Bumper pool, and I don't see, I believe it is a 2024, actually, let's see what we got on here, 2024 on here, so nice, so nice. It's got a long awning, 2 slides. Let's take a look inside. Okay, so absolutely stunning. And you have this really big kitchen. For this unit, I feel like it's giant, but it's so nice. I love that they have this window right here, but you can also cover it. I love being able to see outside if I'm standing over the sink. You've got a 3-burner, an oven, microwave. You've got actually 2. I didn't even see this one up here. Love it. That's going to bring in a lot of light, making it look even bigger. And then all the storage. Like, so nice. And then you've got a nice big fridge. Plenty of space here, guys. A comfy theater seating right here. Across from your entertainment. You've got a breakfast bar right here as well. Put some little seats under there. You're good to go. I like when you have a little bit of storage that's different like this. Hang up your stuff. And then you've got more over here as well. Very nice. Now, go into our master bedroom, which has a slide as well, so it makes it even bigger. And it's a king-size bed. I'm sure you can tell. Storage above. You've got little side tables as well. And I love the window in the back. And then you've got an area for your entertainment. It looks like they actually add an additional place to hang up their clothes, but you got drawers here, drawers down here, and then you can actually, oh, there we go, the magnets work. And you can hang up some more clothes here. You've got a 2-person, a his and her sink right there. I love it. So plenty of space in this bathroom too. So if you guys are looking for a unit, just a coach at a great price and great condition. I mean, it's beautiful. The flooring, the counter, the color, the outside from the inside is absolutely stunning. So if you're looking for something, call, text, email, let me know. Come up and see me, Funtown RV in Waco. Ask for Rachel and I will be happy to help you. But guys, if you do want information, you should get it right away because it will go fast for sure. All right, guys, until next time.